Okay, everybody, we are here at my version of what $800,000 can get you in Texas, okay? And we are actually in the Westcliff edition, which I've already done a video on this before, on the neighborhood. So now we are at, this is a one-story. It is 2645 square feet. It is a 4-bed, 3-bath. And no HOA, and look at the fun, quiet street. Let me pan just a bit so you can see it. Woohoo! So I cannot wait. First of all, like these trees. You know, you're in that neighborhood, in the mature tree. This is a very coveted neighborhood because it's zoned for an elementary school that they just built. I mean, it's pretty recent, and it's one of the best elementary schools in the state. So that's pretty funky good, okay? So anyway, I've got a couple of really cool things to show you on the inside, and so without further ado, let's go in, okay? Hey, so if you're new to the channel, come on. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and tap that notification button. You will be the first to hear and get word of all of my videos that are gonna drop, and giving you really the lowdown and the skinny on the buying, the selling, people coming in from out of state, people moving around the Metroplex. I'm the hookup. Me and my team, we're embedded like no other, okay? So if you're moving in 1 day, if you're moving in 100 days, we are on your timetable. We are here to serve you. It would be our honor. Okay, we're here in the house, and y'all, I'm not kidding you. If you haven't seen this type of house, this is what is going for $799,000, just under 800. What you can get for right around 800 in Texas. So here, you know, here's that one sitting room. Here's the kitchen and the living room over here. And let's just go down this hall, okay? That noise, the light and the fan are hooked up to one another, but this is the utility room / mud room. All right, so you've got your hookups over here for washer dryer. Nice, spacious, big sink. Good storage, I love that. Up here as well, look at that, little mud room updated. This did not come in 1960, just telling you. And see, look at that, nice piece of marble right there. And here is the garage. Let's just take a peek here real quick. Just wanted to show you kind of the spaciousness of it. Very clean. Looks like they've painted recently, duh. You know, a little bit of paint can go a long way, my peeps, in brightening up and updating a house. I'm just telling you, and it's cheap. Okay, coming out here. Some smart features, we like that. Up to date. And this floor is absolutely new. Okay, I love this. Bedroom off to the right. And it's got the attached bathroom right in here, but first I want to show, yes, this is what I want. Nice walk-in closet all the way to the top. Truly some good, I think that came on automatically, right? It's motion. Okay. We'll see if it goes off. Okay, and bathroom off to the side. And this looks very bright and up to date as well. Looks like that floor is kind of new. How much fun, but in the same retro style, you know, in 1960. This is completely up to date. Really nice. Okay, we just finished bedroom number 2. Here we are, number 3. And I love this. This looks like it's floating. Of course, it's hanging from the ceiling, but I looked in there and I was like, okay, what? Nice chandelier that looks Harry Potter. And here we go, same exact closet, y'all, as in the other bedroom. Very typical of your 1960 builds. And here we go, bathroom across the hall for everyone. Shower, updated shower sitch. Very cool, new tile looks like. Now this looks a little 1960 to me. This little thing, maybe not faucet, but this sure does. How cool though that they kept it. And see, this is another thing you need to know too. And I've had clients that have, ripped this out before and raised it, but I just want you to know that these 1960, 1950 houses around here have a very low basin and shelf here. This is very, again, it's very typical of that era, but it's not up to date. So you may want to think about that. And really, that's no big deal. We can get bids and all of that. Not a big deal. Okay, turn around, of course, little toilet area. And outside. So you can see there are multiple ways to get outside, which is always nice. And here we go into the primary, which is at the very end of the hall, everyone. Finally, we made it. Oh, I had to pack a sack lunch to get to the primary. Oh my God. Okay, anyway, for the hall. So this is, it's actually more wide than it is long, if that makes sense to you. So, perfection for king size bed. Even if you wanted to move the king size bed over a little bit, and you could put in like a little sitting area over here, or the sitting area that they were trying to do over there a little bit. There's plenty of room to work with in here. So very nice. Now look at this new floor. This is absolutely not 1960. This is some new stuff, new marble, very nice. Now this was really like progressive for 1960, an actual walk-in closet. I mean, it's not the biggest in the world, but that's not normal for that time period in the 50s and the 60s. So yay, rock on with your bad self, Mr. Homeowner. Okay, little toilet. And the shower, matching the color scheme. Very nice, nicely done, nice update. Watch your step though, that's a big one. It's like about 6 inches off the ground. That would be my only warning. And how about we go outside for a brief minuto. Okay, got some leaf action. This is sitting on about 1/3 of an acre, everybody, alrighty? And I love these lights. Oh, I bet this is so much fun out here. Put tables under here. Oh my Lord, you could have a Mexican fiesta out here. Get one of our many Tex-Mex restaurants to cater it. Oh God, it'd be so fun. Look at that tree. I'm just concentrating on nature and the life. I was gonna say wildlife. Ain't no wildlife out here, I don't think. I think the wildlife is, maybe some of the children. Is that considered? No. Okay. And you see, look at that barn structure-ish. Okay, now they put in, it's not your typical privacy fence. It's old, but at least they put one in that's, there goes a little squirrel. So there is wildlife, what am I saying? And there's a little structure back here, which we can take a look at. Good Lord, I don't even know what this is. Okay, here's a electric line. They need to pick that up. That is not cool. Okay, I'm not sure I can get in there. That looks like just some kind of wood shed, tool shed thing. So if it's open, we can go in. I may never come out. That's gonna be a shame. Oh, it's locked, darn. Let's keep moving, because that scares me, y'all. Hey, long patio though. Look at this. God, you could just, chairs, tables, have your bridge group over. Wow, how old am I? You know what I'm saying? Okay. And if you're loving what you're seeing today, I wanna hear from you. Comment. Be nice. I'm fun, okay? But I would love your constructive criticism. Is there something you want to see more of? Something you want to see less of? Can't really change my hair. I wake up and it does whatever it does. So sorry, just apologies for that part. But hey, hit that subscribe button, tap that notification button, get yourself subscribed to this channel. It's gonna change your life if you wanna move to Texas. I'm telling you, I give you some good stuff. Alrighty, so do it. Look forward to seeing you.